Hello everyone, this is Aneel Khowaja. I'm a registered migration agent and co-founder Think High Consultants at pdclasses.com. Another exciting update for you guys. Think High Consultants has got ART approval of a visa cancellation. So you have heard it right, visa cancellation. So this guy was on a student visa, then somehow he breached the visa condition and got the NOCC. NOCC was declined, and then department canceled his visa. Went to ART, he came to us, we took his case to the ART, presented the case very well presented, and finally we have got ART approval. ART has set aside the decision and asked department or instructed department to grant the visa to this guy. This is one of the landmark achievements. So Think High Consultants, when we take the case, we make sure the case is well represented, and we are making sure that each and every nitty-gritty has been given to the ART so they make the timely and the better decision. Now, how this happened, what exactly scenario happened, based on that this visa was cancelled. So let's come to the initial part of it. So this student was with us for a longer period of time. We did 2 extensions for him. We have done a student visa dependent case for him as well. And then eventually when he got all these, he moved to some other agent for a massive discount. Now lots of agents which are not registered, they were not migration agents. So based on the huge discounts, he went to that specific agent to get enrolled into Advanced Diploma of Civil Construction Design. Then what happened? He was keep making payments to agent, and agent was not timely making payments to the colleges. So this is one of the issues we have seen from lots of students, that they are not able to comply with the fee part of the colleges. And what college, without even investigating that it's an agent thing, they cancel the COE. Now COE was cancelled, and the student, interestingly, he was keep doing the classes, so nobody was stopping him from the classes. Sasa was taking the classes, each and everything was there. He was keep making payments to the agent, and after some time, when he found out the agent is not paying it timely, he started paying to the colleges, and backend college already had cancelled his COE. So you can imagine, colleges are also, you need to be very careful when you're enrolling to the colleges. They're not doing any dodgy or any this kind of adverse activity where you fall short and ultimately your visa get refused. So coming back to the point, so what happened, department found out that this CO has been cancelled for a while now, so they sent the NOCC, and this guy came to us, and he was quite depressed, and then obviously a bit shameful as well, that he went to some other agent for some few $100s, and ultimately his visa is now in a stage where department can cancel the visa anytime. So he came to us, we guided him that you don't need to worry about it. If you have all the proofs, and if that agent has made any mistake, that will all be counted by the department, and hopefully they will give you a positive outcome for the NOCC submission. Now 7 days were remaining. We asked for an extension, department giving us further 7 days. We submitted each and everything, but again department didn't trust on the client, and ultimately they canceled the visa. But since now we knew this client has all proofs and it's not his mistake, it was very much likely that we should go to ART and present a case, because ART takes the cases as a neutral body, and they check each and everything, and that's what happens. And after 1.5 years, ART opened up the file and they asked for the hearing. We prepared each and everything, all the proofs, each and everything, which we have submitted to department, further proofs from the USI transcripts and all those stuff. We submit to ART. I personally went to the ART hearing, and the member was so nice. He heard us very nicely, but he was calm, but he was on to his points as well. So he was asking too many questions. Client giving the right answer, because I told him that you need to be very much real. You don't need to fake anything. You need to be very truthful to the ART member, and that's what happened. If you are truthful, then it won't go into the vein. So finally ART hearing happened, and then they gave me the chance to speak. I presented the case very well. They asked for one more document, which we submitted, and ultimately after 7 weeks of the hearing, we have finally got the positive outcome. ART has set aside the decision, and now they have instructed department to grant the visa. one of the great achievements of Think Consultants. So if you're stuck with your visa cancellation and you wanted to go to ART, and if there are any merits, do contact Think Consultants. I'm more than happy to assist you. All the best.